One question that I get asked a lot at this stage is, how do we get so many students placed in marketing roles of 4.5 lakhs per year in just 20 weeks? We don't. You do. Let me explain. The most important part of your success is the intent and effort that you put in. You're going to be working 8 to 9 hours every day. Our job is to ensure that each of those hours are used up in training you for skills that are required to crack that role and succeed in it. This means conceptual skills like Excel, keyword research, media planning, as well as behavioral traits. We've built this curriculum with people who have worked on these roles in brands like MAGGI, Airbnb, Spotify, and more. And that's how we've got every graduated student placed. That's how we are confident to assure you that if we don't get you placed at a package of 4.5 lakh per year, we're not going to charge you anything. Your job is to just immerse yourself. And that starts with the screening test. All the best.